Hi guys, welcome back to our video today. So today we are going to wrap our seat. The bike has been done up, everything is good. We went to some fueling and then have fun with it. But the only issue I found is that it has this weird noise. It folds and then it has all the cracks lah. So right now we are here at Upper Serangoon Road. So we are sending in for a new set of skin. Actually, we can choose to park near the shop. Okay, however, it looks like it's gonna rain, so we better be safe lah. Okay, let's remove this second bolt, and we are good to go. Screws are pretty warm because of the heat. This is a really hot bike. So the reason why we park in multi-story car park because it's gonna rain, and then all the electrical component is underneath the seat. So if it rains, then water go in lah, right? We keep the screw in place in case we misplace it later on. Okay, the real seat is easy, so all we need to do is just using the key. Open it up and done. So we will bring this two seat to the shop. Well, look at the clouds. I think I'm gonna be stuck here for the next few hours. Once it starts raining, I don't know when it will stop. There's a lot of old school shop here because it's a very old town, or it's a mature estate you call it. Okay, we are here and let's see what we can do. So it's cash only, so probably we have to go and withdraw money later on. 有布料可以选吗？有啊。在哪里看呢？哦，有一个看好。我要没有这样滑的，可以吗？没有，这个不滑的。那有没有那种晒太阳没有这样烧的、也不没有哦，没有啊。是会烧的，会冷的。只有这片跟这片是不滑的。OK 咯，那我拿这个咯。这个这样包两个多少？两个是70块。好，可以。连这一颗我都换掉。哦，这颗你帮我换掉啊？可以。你要哪一个？你几时要拿？你做需要多久？我做了差不多到来差不多11点多了。可以，没问题，我去吃早餐先咯。OK。我刚刚看到你只说 cash， 我要去提钱。这里 ATM 最靠近哪里啊？最靠近是那个巴萨那边，大牌30号。其实是被进去巴萨那个了。哦，那个大巴萨哈。OK， 可以。这边走去是7分钟。Okay, it started to rain, as you can see here. So the boss is very nice. It loans me an umbrella, and he mentioned that just in case the rain didn't stop, so at least I have an umbrella to come back. Very nice of him. Whoa, luckily I took the offer. Else I will be totally drenched by now. Okay, so finally found the ATM. Alright, since we are already here, so we will visit this Bendemeer Food Center for breakfast. So because the boss told us it will be done within 30 minutes, but we told him no rush and we can slowly enjoy our breakfast. You can see the weather is pretty crazy, so after 30 minutes it's so hot now. Okay, so it's done. So now we will head back to install it back. The real seat is pretty straightforward. It's just a hook and a clip. So we asked for a red stitch. Cool. So we need to take this out. And then we need to make sure this is here. And then just put it back in. Same goes to this side here. Tighten it with your Allen key. So now the squeezing sound is gone. It's less slippery. Pretty good. So we bought some stickers, okay, to protect the tank. As you can see, there's a lot of scratches here and there before. Okay, that's one thing. And then second thing, while we were riding, we realized that the mirror is quite shaky. So we probably have to create a damper to secure the mirror. So first off, we use the alcohol wipe, clean off the surface. We also clean the area that we want to stick on later. Okay. Basically, it's the whole tank lah. Okay, so we start with the tank first because it's the easiest part. 5 hole, okay, it matches. Okay, next will be the tank pad. Let's see what's the center. Should be somewhere here. So I just realized that we bought a random tank pad, but somehow we will try to get it up. So we mark out the screw hole. Okay, so we did something like that. Okay, and then we try to fit this in. Okay, it seems like the hole needs to be larger to accommodate this. So we go expand the hole and then we'll be back. Okay, so we fitted it in. So now we need to cut out the layout. Okay, so we got a shape, and what we need to do is just cut it out. So we trim the boot. Basically, it looks something like that. So now we are going to tighten this and see whether it will shake. Okay, it's done. It looks quite sturdy, except there's some runoff here, but you can't tell from far, so it's fine. So we just brought it up for a spin. Basically, it solved the vibration problem. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. See you. Bye bye.